Marvelous Green Mouth, episode 117. The Best Name Maker.
MiYoung.
짜잔! 안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
Welcome back to Marvelous Green Mouth. 메가입니다.
MiYoung입니다.
Welcome back to Marvelous Green Mouth. This is the third episode. Third?
I think so. Yes.
Third episode in our Significance of Korean Naming series. And last week we alluded to this one. So 오늘은 뭐 할 거예요?
오늘 actually talking about me, how great I am.
That is so true.
That's right.
And I'm very excited to learn more about how great MiYoung 선생님 is.
That's right. You know that we are very serious about giving good names in Korea, and then I really do believe, and then I love to give Korean names to people. So here's some names that I gave. Do you want to hear?
To American students, not just random people. People
그렇죠.
that she knows.
That's right. Who come to my classes?
네, 아는 사람, 아는 학생.
That's right. So how about let's start with 최소희.
최소희.
That's right. There's a lot of girls' name finishing with he. Usually he means girl. But when I gave her 최소희, the he doesn't mean girl. Yeah. 최 is what? 최고. Also, 최 means last name in Korea. Somebody's last name is 최. Also, if somebody's last name is 최 means, they're very stubborn or they're very willful. They have a very strong will.
In a good
Korea.
way or a bad way?
Good way.
Okay.
Or could be a little bad way. Could be stubborn too.
Okay.
So I have one student. She was very smart. She has everything, and she just could father and mom and everything. But she was what? Didn't have a lot of smile. She did not laugh a lot. She did not smile a lot. But she loves study Korean, and she loves me. She loves Korean food and everything. So I gave her name 최소희. 최 means she's always best. 소 is smile and laugh.
Like miso?
That's right.
Miso
like
is smile.
그렇죠. And he here is the meaning is bright.
Bright.
Yeah.
Like a bright smile.
그렇죠. The best bright smile. 그런 거죠.
Best bright smile or stubborn bright smile?
그렇죠. Also, I gave her a last name 최 because she has a very strong will. She wanted to, she does that. So I was very proud of her.
좋다.
So I also gave her like a kind of best 최고, just like 최고 means 최. Also 최 because she always reminded of the last name in Korea.
Oh, I like that. Thinking back to some K-dramas I've watched of the people whose last name is Che, it makes a lot of sense. Like the character.
They're usually very strong people.
네, 맞습니다.
And then after that, I gave her another name, finishing with he.
He, again.
That's right. Her name is 하사희.
하사희. That sounds good coming out of your mouth. 하사희.
그렇죠. 하. Also, we have last name 하. Not really common, but we have 하. So when I gave her name 하, it means 하늘. What's 하늘?
Sky.
That's right. 사. 천사. 천사 means angel from heaven. So like a messenger from heaven이란 뜻이에요. 천사. So I gave her 사, which is a messenger. He means not a girl, means just like a bright. So if I need to go in order, he and 사, I need to reverse that. But I don't like 희사. So even though it's not real like in the order was very perfectly, I just gave her 하사이. Means she's the person bringing down beautiful sky, beautiful heaven message to the earth.
I like that. And who cares if it's not in the right order? It's the message is the same. The meaning's the same. 하사희.
Actually, that is my favorite name that that is my favorite name that I gave to somebody.
I can see why.
Yeah. There's a lot of he going on. 미희, so a lot. But so far, I never heard anybody gave like a 사히.
Mm.
There is a 소희, we have, yeah, but nobody ever said that 사히. So I really like that.
Hasahi.
하사히. 그죠?
Very pretty.
그렇죠. Next,
Mm.
최행복.
최행복.
What's 행복 means?
Happy. 행복하다. To be happy. 행복.
That's right. I gave her last name 최, but here it really means best. Okay. And she's a very nice lady. She's very generous and she's very nice. But whenever she reads Korean, I mean, not anymore. That she used to read 행복, which is happiness. She always said 항복.
Like the
행복.
dress? Like the Korean
아니요.
dress?
When you say
that's 한.
that is 한복.
한복.
When you say 항복 means surrenderant. Okay. Surrender as a noun. 항복하다 means to surrender.
So the opposite of happy.
Yeah, 그렇죠. So I really want that she remember 행복. So I gave her 행복. 최행복, the best happiness. But she's always happy. She smiles a lot. She laughs a lot. Generous, wonderful lady. One bad thing was she always read kind of wrongly. 행복, 항복. We don't want to say 항복. We say 행복. That's why
Once you gave her the name 최행복.
That's why actually got better.
Did she get better? She
That's
remembered?
right.
Good. Well,
That's right.
there we go.
Good.
Functional.
Then, yeah, another one. 이영화.
이경화.
That's right. And then she majored in theater and movie. That was her major. That's right. But she cannot remember how you say movie in Korean.
정말요.
네. How you say movie in Korean?
영화.
That's right. So I really want that she remembers her major, 영화. So I gave her last name 이. 이 also means another meaning of 이. What is that?
This.
That's right. Means what does it, okay? This movie.
이영화. Literally this movie.
That's right.
Another functional one you will never forget.
Yeah. However, 영화 could be female name in Korea. But sometimes some men has just 이영화.
I've watched a K-drama, one of my favorite K-dramas. One of the main characters' name is Younghwa. It's a man is named Younghwa.
그죠? So it could be man, could be woman. Yeah. 그렇죠? And I think last one I want to say 이홍익.
이홍익.
That's right. 홍익 대학교, 홍익 University. People usually say 홍대.
Hongdae. If you're watching this video, you've probably heard of Hongdae. Hongdae.
Yeah, 홍대. Very famous. A lot of foreigners like that. So if you go to 홍대 대학교, again, 홍익 대학교, make it short, 홍대, then they have a lot of fun thing, music and everything. Now everybody go there. All foreigners go there, something like that. So 홍익, the original means make this world beneficially. Isn't it beneficial?
Beneficial.
That's right. Make this world beneficial or make a better country. I mean, better place to live. So I guess.
Or I guess be beneficial to the country or to the world. Like
actually,
you are being beneficial.
This come from our ancestors, like the first ancestors, and then at the time we believed that world means not just our country; it's just really world belief. So yeah.
So
word.
홍익 대학교 is
that's the meaning. Yeah.
College, university.
그렇죠. It's that is the philosophy of the first ancestor we have long the 5,000 years ago, and here's our philosophy. That is our value, and he gave to this world.
That's really telling of
right.
Korean culture, I think, that
That's
the first
right.
university was be beneficial to the world, like
That's right.
contribute.
There's a lot of name, also some place, organization called 홍익 in Korean. So we called 이홍익. I gave one of my students make this world make better. That's right. This world make better. So 이홍익 I gave.
And that's a boy's name.
네, that's right.
I like that.
But he's very smart, extremely smart. And then I really want that he uses his brain really in the nice place, in the nice way. There's a lot of people using their good brain like not that educated, not that good place or not that good way. I really, really hoped and I really want that he will use his good brain to make this world better.
음.
네. That's why I gave this one to
네.
him. Yeah. Sometimes it takes long time to figure out somebody's name, but sometimes I can right away too. But I give all my heart to give the good name.
It's important.
That's right.
If we've learned nothing
네.
else from the series, it's that names are important. People pay big money to change their names
right.
and to find out the best names for them.
Mhm.
So it's important.
That's right. Sometimes it doesn't take a long time for me to make that kind of names, but sometimes it takes forever and ever. Because I really want that they feel my love, and then I want that they feel blessed forever their life. Because name really important, and I do believe that. Now I give all my life to give the best name to all my students.
너무 중요해요.
맞아요. 너무너무 중요합니다. 파이팅.
네. 파이팅. 감사합니다.
그죠? 이름.
감사합니다. 이름.
오케이.
짜잔.
Thank you.